In the bustling city of New York, Sarah wakes up to the sound of her alarm blaring in her cozy apartment. She rolls out of bed, gets dressed in casual jeans and a crisp white shirt, and heads to the kitchen to brew a fresh cup of coffee. After a quick breakfast, Sarah grabs her bag and heads out the door to catch the subway to work. She joins the throngs of commuters flooding the trains, each lost in their own thoughts. At the office, Sarah dives into her tasks as a marketing manager, collaborating with colleagues and responding to emails. During her lunch break, Sarah strolls through Central Park, soaking up the warm sun and vibrant atmosphere. She grabs a bite at a nearby cafe, savoring a delicious sandwich and chatting with friends. After work, Sarah heads to the gym for a refreshing workout. Later, she meets her friends at a trendy restaurant in Soho, sharing laughter and stories over dinner. As the evening winds down, Sarah returns home, unwinds with a favorite book, and drifts off to sleep, ready to tackle another day in the city that never sleeps.